Hi, this is Lady Zaki at ang pag-uusapan natin ngayon ay tungkol sa Access Security System. Merong 4 na functions ang Access Security System. Number 1, intrusion. Number 2, monitoring. Number 3, life or property safety. And number 4, access control. First, pedestrian access. Pasensya na po, medyo nagkamali lang sa numbering. As you can see, this is the door access. Meron tayong biometrics. And the person that is going inside the room should also do some security access para makapasok lang. We need the software, controller, devices, and here are the devices. Meron tayong door contact, electromagnetic lock, card reader, push to exit button, and brake glass. Here is an example of standalone access control system. Andito yung door, meron tayong electromagnetic lock. Okay, and then here's the card reader, and papasok, may card reader. Pagpalabas na may exit button. Para sa door contact system, we also have this door, and on the upper left corner is the door contacts. And here are the other devices. Ito yung sinasabi kong brake glass. Meron tayong push to exit button. Or pwede ding door release button. Ito naman yung access code. Pwedeng ilagay mo dito yung pin or pwede din kung card. Kung meron, yung iba card reader lang talaga. Power supply for EM lock is also included. Kailangan din merong power supply pag nagkaroon ng problema. Automatic gumagana pa din siya for a specific range of time. This is an example of our exit door. Here's the door contact, strobe light with buzzer. And sa fire exit doors, bawal po ang electromagnetic locks. For ELV systems designer, meron tayong tinatawag na access controller. Usually, you can check the number of card readers kung ilan yung kailangan, number of input devices, and output devices. So, for example, here's the access controller. Dito, makukonect mo yung door contacts. And dito, makukonect mo yung brake glass. In series is the electromagnetic lock, the switches, and the UPS. Here's an example of single line diagram for the access control system. Andito si workstation. This is the Ethernet TCP/IP. May controller po tayo. Andun, pwede mong ilagay yung mga door contacts kung required. At sa bawat rooms, meron tayong single door or double door. Lalagay natin yung biometrics reader and EM lock and other devices. So, same. So, eto, may controller tayo. Medyo kompleto to. Meron tayong EM lock, meron tayong card reader, and brake glass. And push to exit, door release buttons palabas. Kung kulang pa, pwede pa tayong maglagay ng additional controller. Depende po sa design. Example, this is an input module. So, you can just check the brand capacities, kung ano, brand and model capacities, kung ilan yung inputs na pwede sa kanya. Or mayroon din tayong input and output modules. So, pwedeng mayroong input dito, and output. We also have other modules. Depende kung input at output yung kailangan. This is normally a cabinet with the system, access system. Ito yung pinaka main net controller, and we have the input and output devices, controllers. Meron din tayong controller na ginagamit sa mga elevator. So we have a controller. After that should be input and output modules. Sa door contact system, ito po yung architecture. Meron tayong controller, and then we have the input modules, and doon na po si door contacts. Here's an example of the elevator access system. Meron tayong workstation, meron tayong network, input and output modules, and here is the elevator access. Meron card reader sa loob. And we will also present you the gate barrier later. So, ito yung access controls. Meron nga tayo ditong panic buttons, pwede din. So, if we have requirement for panic button system, we just have a net controller, an input module, and then the panic buttons as the input devices. We can also have for door contact system, the controller, the input module, and the magnetic door contacts. Here's an example of the other devices. Sa software naman po, it depends on the number of card row holders na kailangan natin or the personal records. Makikita po sa capacity. I-check nyo po sa table ng software kung ano po yung kailangan. Here are the card reader specs, type of technology. Kailangan malaman kung anong klase yung requirement, read range, and bit format. For example, meron tayong smart card reader and proximity reader. A smart card reader can have a 13.56 MHz and 125 kHz. Yung security niya is high compared sa proximity reader na wala because it has an encryption. However, yung read range niya, mas may advantage yung proximity reader which has a 4 to 6 inches capacity compared sa read range ng smart card reader. Okay, those are the types of card readers. So we have this type, this another type, and Proxpass vehicle tag. This is usually for people that has cars, passes para sa mga vehicles. And that's it for the introduction for access system.